Alright, good morning guys. So in this video I want to show you how to reduce your lot size to 0.01 or 0.2 or 0.3 or 0.4 or 0.10. So what you do now, if you come here to our execution button, if you want to use 0.1 as a lot size, what you do, you come to your lot size session here and increase it to 0.21. We increase it to 0.21. You see, I will just increase the number to 0.21. Okay, you order market, but before now let me return this thing to Boom and Crash so that it will be easy. Don't need anything that will reduce my profit. So when you return it to 0. Okay, if I go and return this thing to 0.1, I come here and change it to 0.21. Let's assume I change the lot size. You see, it's now 0.21. You execute your order, buy. This is Crash. As I bought this thing now, you see that the lot size is 0.21, right? So you go to the same market, press hold on it, press hold on that market, click on close position. So you know, when you click on close position now, it will take you this place where you will be seeing. If you click here, the market will close automatically, but you will not click here. You come here and remove this one and return it to 0.20. So how do I mean? I'll just come return here 0.20. So now if you watch here now, this place I return it to 0.20, but I didn't close this thing. So after returning it to 0. Remember it was 0.21 before. Then you now click on close. If you click on close, the market will be there, but the lot size will reduce. You see this thing. You see 0.01 now. Do you see it? So if you want to use 0.02, you also go there, increase your lot size to 22. Then execute the order first. You must execute the order first. Then come to that your position, do as if to say you want to close it. Then return to that lot size and return it to 20. Do you understand? Return it by removing that. You see, I return it to 20 and now close the market. It will return to 0.02. If you look here now, you see 0.02. Likewise, if you want to do with 0.04, what are you supposed to do? You go and increase your lot size to 0.25. You see, I just increase the lot to 0.25. Then I execute the order. Then you come to the order, press hold, click on close position, then minus, remove that 5. That 5 that is there, remove it, return it to 0.20. What it means is 25 minus 20, then equal to. When you close it, it becomes the equal to. You see, here now is what? 0.05. If you want to do 0.0 what? If you want to do 0.010, that is 0.10, you also go there and increase this one to 30. What you mean 30? You see it's 30 here. It's 30 here, right? Minus 20 equal to, it will become 10. You see? So that is how to do those things. It's simple. So apply it and it will help you. So one person say, how do I do my chart? So if you want to do your chart, you come to chart environment here, press hold, the circle will come, go to setting. You see setting here, you come to setting. So when you come to setting, you go up. So if you go up, you see this man, you see color. You see color, right? Click on that color, it will bring you here. So let your setup be like this. So what you permitted to change, number one is a grid. Make it none. Bar up should be green, bar down should be red, bull candle should be what? Green. After doing that, you what? Shit, what is this thing? You click on done up there. After changing those colors, you click on what? Done, and your chart will return to normal. So that is how to do all that. Do it and make your money. Okay, you can see we are in profit already. So let me